My cloud lamp that pours rain has just arrived. I got it for $22. Its shape is more like a mushroom than a cloud. It's made of plastic. At the bottom, there's a base that looks like wood. From the top, it opens normally, and this is what's inside. In the middle, there is a transparent plastic piece that can be lifted. Inside, there's this metal strip. At the bottom, there's a charging spot, and here are the control buttons. Now I'll connect the light and turn it on. This is how it looks in the dark. I can change the color of the light. Now I'll fill this spot with water. I'll press this button, and here it starts to absorb water from the bottom. It comes out from the top, resembling rain. You can add scent to the water so that it spreads as the water circulates. Honestly, it's a nice decoration, and the sound is just like rain. For those interested, the link is in the bio.